At what point do you, I guess, give up on it?
Man, I hate to tell people to quit, but I would say if there's another area where you're doing much better, it just makes common sense to, you know, I watched the Dale Earnhardt thing, guys. I wasn't a big NASCAR fan. I didn't know about number 3. I watched the freaking documentary. I love me some Dale Earnhardt now all of a sudden, right? It's amazing. But as Dale Earnhardt would do, drive that sucker until the wheels fall off. Like if you're like, it's just common sense, right? If you're like, every time we call somebody in this industry, it's a match made in heaven. If it was me, I would just ride that sucker, right? I would just put my foot on, well, it wasn't Dale, it was that new guy in NASCAR that said, I'm gonna put my foot down on the right pedal and just keep going until I see God or the checkered flag. That's what I would do. Now, you might wanna hedge a little bit, but again, don't be like, I have to be perfect in all of these categories just to be perfect in all of these categories. Because I would rather have you be the complete dominant expert in one. But there's a lot of business owners here. If anybody else wants to chime in, that's a really delicate subject there. But also, your time is your most valuable asset. Adam, do you want to chime in on that?
Yeah, that's the very pivot we just made. We went from contacting power sports dealerships we try to get them to carry our product or put it on their own machines to just shifting to the rental fleets. We launched a new fleet tracking program, and the difference between the reception, the amount of calls that I get people to answer the phone, they call me back, they have the conversation, 10 to 1, 20 to 1 in the new industry. So I don't even waste my time calling dealerships anymore. They call me, I still talk to them, but my time is spent reaching out to the rental fleets in the little shops like that. Makes a much bigger difference for me.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.